Hi, I'm Bree Muilenburg, Electronic Heat Detection Specialist with NorthStar Cooperative. I am going to walk you through how to add columns to your CowManager dashboard. First, open your CowManager web application. Then hover your mouse over column headings until a four-pointed arrow appears. Then right-click. You will then see that a box pops up. The first two options are how you would like to sort your columns. The last option is where you will hover your mouse to bring up the column options. Click on the gray box next to any column header you would like added to your dashboard until a check mark appears in the gray box. When you are done, make sure that you press the Save Report filter so that your changes will be saved. You can then organize the columns how you would like them to be displayed. Hold your mouse over the column headers until the four-headed arrow pops up. Hold the left mouse button down and drag the column to where you want it. Remember to save your report filters. Keep in mind that you will need your screen to be at 100% zoom or you cannot move the columns. You can put your screen on 100% zoom by clicking on the three-dotted vertical line in the right-hand corner of your screen. Use the plus and minus signs to change the zoom. Thank you for your time. If you have any questions, send me a text or give me a call. Have a nice day.